In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to balance Ronin-SC Gimbal in 3 minutes. Omahi, and let's get started. First, let's discuss the best way to mount the camera. We have a dovetail plate, a riser plate, and lens support. The small riser plate might be required if you're using a small camera like Sony the6600, or when using a lens with a large diameter. Let's take this setup as an example. Here it's impossible to mount the camera directly on the big plate, and we need to lift the camera up by using the riser plate and fix the lens with the lens support. Now with this setup, Sony a7 III and Tamron wide lens will use the dovetail plate only. Definitely you need a coin to lock the plate screw in the camera. Always keep one at the gimbal case guys. See, DJI made it easy for you. Always put the plate when the lens is this way, and adjust the screw position based on how heavy the camera setup is. And when you're done, put the camera aside and get prepared to set up the gimbal. First, get the mini tripod along with the battery, attach the tripod to the battery, open the 3 tripod legs, and put the new setup now on the table. Now get the other part of the gimbal and attach it to the battery. There is only one way to put it in. And when it's in, lock the security lever on the side. And to make it easier for you when watching the video, learn that this one on the back is the roll axis, and the one on the side is the tilt axis, and the pan axis is the one at the bottom. Now unlock the roll axis, which is the one right here. Turn it 90 degrees and lock it back in place. Why? Because it's gonna be annoying for now when there is no camera on the gimbal. Next up, unlock the tilt axis. Unlock the key right here. And prepare to put the camera on the gimbal. Alright, hold the safety lock on the left of the mounting plate, and then slide the camera backward. Keep making adjustments until it's balanced. Make sure to lock and tighten the knob at the bottom. You don't need this to lose by time. Now jump to the tilt axis. So we need the camera to be balanced facing up. And to do so, unlock the tilt axis knob and slide the axis back and forth until it's balanced. It's gonna take a few seconds. Certainly lock the knob when you're done. Alright, next up we have to work on the roll axis. Unlock the axis while holding it. Be careful guys, this axis might fall quickly like this one. You don't need to do that for your gimbal. So to balance the roll axis, we have first to move back the plate slider screw, this one, until it touches the gimbal mounting plate, and then lock it in place. This screw will lock and save the balance we did in the first step. Now unlock the knob under the mounting plate, and then gently slide the camera left or right, depends on the situation. Here I have to move it left. And I hold the camera to prevent a fall down. And now lock the bottom knob. Okay, next up is the pan axis, which is the last one. Never forget to unlock that guy from here, because many of you guys might forget it locked and discover that later when you start using the gimbal. So this is how the gimbal should look like when the pan axis is balanced. The camera is facing forward, the tilt axis is on the right, and the roll axis is at the top. And to do so, unlock the pan axis knob. See, the situation is different when you get the gimbal straight out of the box. And now, hold the roll axis motor up and slide the pan axis back until the gimbal is balanced. Tighten the pan axis knob, put the gimbal on the table, and you're ready to go. On this channel guys, we make camera, lenses, and filmmaking gear reviews. If you like this one, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching guys, this was Oma, and see you in another one.